Hello friends and future friends, potential friends. Time to plant some sweet potatoes. Actually, I just planted some sweet potatoes. These are my slip boxes. There's still one slip popping up there. And there's not a bad one there. Looks like that's all of them right now. And oh yeah, in case I run short, I'm not sure how well this is going to show, but there's a volunteer that came up in this bed where my tomatoes are at. Little tomatoes in there too. That one just popped up. This is where I had the sweet potatoes last year. And I took all the slips and I planted, I think there are 16 of them right through here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That's the best one. Stand corrected, it's 14, not 16. I've watered them in good. Eventually I'm going to be sending them up this fence, hopefully, if they cooperate. See, those are my beans on the other side. Those are Great Northern beans. Came from Walmart. They're growing good. I've seen a couple of flowers on them already too. Kind of surprises me. But that's the sweet potato progress.